It is a story about someone's smart dog on the Greek island of Kefalonia that was joining us on the way from a hotel to Kanali beach. They waited for us by Maria Anna Hotel in Vlachata and then followed us all the way to the beach. Having taken some swim in the sea and having run along the beach for about 15 minutes, the dog then went back to the hotel on its own. During our holiday of 7 days, the dog accompanied us on 3 different days. It is just before 9 o'clock in the morning, but it is already quite hot in the sun. All the way to the beach takes around 25 minutes, even though that the distance is not very long, but it is steep. Our hotel is at the altitude of 140 meters, 140 meters above the Kanali beach. One has to be vigilant all the time while descending this steep path to the beach. In many places along the path, tunnels are formed by reeds hanging over the path. While going down the path, it is worth remembering that time will come to go back to the hotel. On this day, when we descended to the beach, there was a team around the cordoned small part of the beach counting turtles' eggs. On this occasion, a stray dog joined our regular companion, and both of them followed us to the beach. Normally the companion dog never went ahead of us too much. But this time the dog was much braver and went to the beach as soon as we approached the final stairs and did not wait for us. Dear companion dog, thank you for the entertainment given to us while on holiday.